Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials so your fixes work. Update your Quest 3 and Companion app now. Outdated firmware can break sensors. Once done, clear the play area of mirrors, windows, and shiny objects that confuse tracking. Make sure the headset has more than 50% charge and that power save modes are off so sensors run at full frequency. These steps remove the common environmental and software causes and let you move directly into recalibration and advanced adjustments without wasted effort. Next, recalibrate the system to recenter tracking accuracy. Open Guardian and rerun the boundary setup, then set the floor height carefully so your headset knows reference points. Small offsets amplify later. Inspect all external cameras for fingerprints or dust and clean them with a microfiber cloth in circular motions. Adjust room lighting to be diffuse and even. Strong directional light creates glare and shadows that throw off optical tracking. These targeted steps fix most mid-level tracking drift and jitter issues. Finally, perform advanced checks and complete the repair sequence. If problems persist, test the headset in another room or with a different Wi-Fi network to isolate environmental or network causes. Try multiple apps to determine if the issue is app-specific versus system-wide. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears corrupted system settings that affect tracking. Quick troubleshooting tip. If tracking still falters, look for magnetic or electronic interference near your play area and remove nearby speakers or phones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.